Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the problem. Check link lights and try another cable to isolate the jack versus the cable. Once confirmed, lay the cable flat and note the color order, take a photo or mark it. Use your cutter to remove about 1 to 2 inches of the damaged end, keeping the cut square. This gets rid of frayed shielding. Make sure to keep the pair twists as tight as possible up to the point you strip, because preserved twists maintain signal integrity. Next, strip roughly 1/2 inch of outer jacket without nicking conductors. The goal is exposing just enough to insert into the new RJ45 plug. Fan the 8 wires, untwist only as needed, and align them to your chosen standard, typically 568B, so both ends match. Once straight, trim the wires evenly to about 1/2 inch from the jacket so they reach the plug contacts fully. Then gently insert until the jacket seats inside the plug, ensuring each conductor hits the gold pins. Place the plug in the crimper and squeeze firmly until the tool completes its cycle. You should hear and feel the ratchet. This presses the gold contacts into the wires and secures the jacket tab. Once crimped, use an RJ45 tester and confirm continuity across all 8 pins and correct pair mapping. If a pin fails or you see opens, restrip and reseat the wires. Most faults are misaligned conductors or insufficient jacket depth. As a last resort, swap the plug and test again, because defective plugs happen.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.